Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. All right, let's start our coconut. I'm drawing with Sharpie today, and if you are, make sure you put an extra piece of paper underneath. Also, if I ever go too fast, just press pause. Let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to draw with my coconut is a oval shape right here, and this is the center of our coconut. And you want it about that size as well, because then you're going to make another shape around just like that. And we can make this line, see, a little thicker going around. And same within there. So sometimes I get hairy lines. That's what my old art teacher used to tell me. It's when the lines look like that. And all you need to do is just take your Sharpie or whatever you're using and just make it a little thicker so that it's a cleaner line, not hairy, as my art teacher used to say. Okay, so now that we've got the inside of our coconut, we're going to go ahead and draw the bottom part of our coconut, and it's going to be kind of like a U shape, but we want it to be more round. So we're just going to start at the top, work our way around, and swing it back up. And I'm going to make this side a little darker, coming around and meeting just like that. And now I'm going to draw the same size circle right behind it. So I'm just going to practice. I'm going to practice with my hand drawing that shape. And now come around. I'm going to start here and draw the same size. There is our coconuts. And right here, I'm going to draw those 3 circles that coconuts have on the outside. And we can just make a couple lines for some detail on this side. And if you've ever held a coconut, they're kind of hairy. So that kind of shows that they're not smooth. They have some texture. Now on this coconut, we're going to draw a face. I'm going to draw 2 big eyes, just like this. And then on the inside, I'm going to draw another circle. And inside this circle, 2 more circles. Lots of circles. And then we're just going to color this in black. Just like that. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And what I'm going to do is make some little eyebrows on the side and a mouth right in the middle on the bottom. And there we go. Make little indentions and a tongue. I really like this coconut. Now, one thing I'm going to add is blue marker around the eyes. Just because a lot of what we're coloring today is brown, because coconuts are basically brown. So I wanted to add a fun pop of color. And I chose blue, but you could choose any color you would like for the inside of the eye. Now we're going to go ahead and color our coconut. I have different shades of brown crayon and some pinks and reds for the mouth, and then I'm going to use a yellow for some highlight. So, and then white in the middle of our coconut. And I'm going to go ahead and start coloring. right, now that I finished that fun little crosshatch detail, I'm just taking my crayon and just lightly filling in any spots that still show some white, because there is a lot of color that we need to fill for our coconut. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing your coconut today, and don't forget to subscribe.
Squiggly Doodles!
Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.